Hey folks, this is Kevin Deal with Romeo Music. I'm the manager of Integrated Systems and Accounts, and today we are going to be talking to you about our custom field marching sound systems, so stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Fred Kleid with Romeo Music. I'm the project manager and audio designer. This is one of the custom-built gig rig systems for field marching PA systems. I want to talk just a little bit about some of the features. We custom build each one of these individually for every school. This could be used with a simple analog mixer up to a very sophisticated digital mixing solution, which could be remote controllable by iPads or PCs on a network that we develop and build within the system. We offer a lot of different options, but every one again is custom built for the needs of the school. We custom wire it. You have one power cord coming out the back. You flip one switch, everything goes on. All the inputs are completely labeled on speakers, cables, and the front of the rack for ease of operation that any student could easily hook up quickly on the field. We offer a lot of different options for both wired and wireless microphones from Shure, Sennheiser, Audio-Technica, Samson, and all the major brands, which we custom design with combiners and antenna distribution, including external paddles for longer distance range where required. Our amplifiers are QSC model amplifiers. We specially use these amplifiers because we have profiles that we load in specifically for the speaker systems that we're using. These allow us to protect the speaker system with limiting, as well as other DSP functions to optimize the performance and sound of the speakers in the field.
Thanks for that, Fred. So let's talk a little bit more about how we came up with these custom designs. Many band directors have come up to us over the years and asked us for countless field systems for marching season. Some of them have found these packages online and just said, hey, we want this. And so upon doing a little more investigation, we're finding out that some of these packages online don't have the proper amplifiers scoped out. The horns are covering more vertically than they are horizontally, which doesn't make a lot of sense because most stands at football stadiums are wider than they are tall. They take a cabinet that has a 90-degree wide by 60-degree tall horn, and then they put it on its side, making it do the opposite of what we feel it should be doing. So we collaborated with multiple speaker companies, amplifier companies, console companies, and we decided to put together systems that made sense for our clients. For our bass system, we decided to go with two QSC E115s and then two of the single 18 subs. We have them on our custom built carts, and they have really great pattern coverage. Two of them will do an incredible job in most high school football stands, but we have a couple options above just in case you need to get a more robust sound. So if you decide to go to the next step above, on each side we'll have two mains and then two dual 18 subs, one per side. So here in Texas we have 5A and 6A schools, and for those of you outside of Texas who maybe use a different classification system, those are the high schools that have those like small to mid college size stadiums, and some of them even have Division I size stadiums. Those stands tend to be a little larger, and so therefore we need to use a premium sound system for that. And for that we use Danley. We tend to use the OS80s, which are weather resistant, and then we'll also use the SM or SH Synergy horn speakers, which depending on size and shape and all that, you can actually customize the vertical and horizontal coverage. For the low end, to round out the low end, we'll use the tapped horn TH118 or TH115. It all depends on how much bass you need at your particular venue, but the really great thing about Danley subwoofers is that they will put out quite a bit of low end with less boxes, which makes your transportation much easier. All of our systems are customizable, so choose your mixer. It could be a QSC, it could be a Yamaha, it could be a Allen & Heath, it can be whatever you want it to be. You choose that, we'll put it inside of our rack system, and then you choose whether you want your good, better, best. Hey, thanks for checking out our video. If you like what you saw, please click on the subscribe button below. That way Romeo Music can send you a new clinical video or product review, or anytime we send a trade show or release a video of that, you automatically get a notification and you can just click on the link and check it out. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.